Hey YouTube, so this is just going to be a quick unboxing of a Game Boy cartridge game that I got, and it was this one here on AliExpress. I do need to see that it is confirmed, received. So that's that started on there. So I will be unboxing it, and I will be trying it out on my Game Boy SP because my Game Boy Color is currently no batteries. Yeah, so I have been wanting to get Game Boy games for a while. I love the Game Boy when I was younger. I was always on it. I had the Game Boy Color, I had the Game Boy SP, I had the Game Boy Advance. I'm currently trying to get that one. So it comes in this little cartridge case. Better than what I've got over there. Does that say push to open? Yeah. Okay, so that's how you open it. So now I don't remember how good these were when I was younger. Again, this was only 70p off the AliExpress for my first order. So it is dead cheap. If you hold it a certain way, you can see inside, and then you can see inside there. I'm not going to take it out to check it that way. Wait. It does not. Oh, I was going to say it does not fit in SP, but it does. So it's in. I'm just going to swing you down. Yes, I'm currently doing this on my bed. Just taking that up a bit. So turn it on. Turn it up a little. And as you can see, I have all of them on there. So I'm trying to do this so that it's let me place you up there. Okay, so there we go. So we have Pokemon Yellow, Gold, Blue, Silver, and Red. So Crystal and Red, sorry. So I'm just going to pick a random game. Okay. Let me just... Okay, apparently I picked a game. Oh, Harvest Moon, so that works. Okay, I can't figure out how to reset it, so we'll turn it off and we'll go back into it. And then we'll choose a Pokemon game. So Pokemon Crystal, I would say. It starts up, so that's good. Means I can play all of my Pokemon games. This is not sponsored, by the way. I wish. So, okay. apparently it put me into Pokemon Reds. So, we're going to try that again. Turn off. Open. And I'm just going to face it towards me just now. So, we want number 5. So, it is now on number 5. Pokemon Crystal. I'm currently trying to get this so it's not glaring with the screen light behind it. There we go. So, Game Freak. And there's my unknown. It is dead and dull. I do need to figure out how to change the brightness on this. So we'll start it up. We'll see if we can save it. Because okay, it is what, 2:39. So oh no, I don't want day. Right, morning. Right, it's night. So 2. Actually, hold on. I do need to change the day, so it is 27th. I apparently can't do that. Okay. And this is why I don't really like the beginning of Pokemon Crystal. I have the emulator app on my iPad. And I tried it out, so day 12 o'clock, no. Let's just put that back to 2. Yes. Oh, there we go. Minutes. It is 40. Okay, so yeah, press the oak again. Bloody hell! I want to really edit this. Yeah, so looks like it's working.
You still take a fucking lad with your tail? You sure it's a fucking caviar coat, not a dog? You big fucking stomach sounds catching a tail.
So yeah, it looks like it's working. So we're now in the game, so I'm now going to see if we can save. And because that's backwards, I can't see. How would you like to save the game? So that's the saving. Alright, so what we'll do is we'll turn it off, turn it back on, go back into the game, and see what it saved. So
My favorite game. Hey! I can go and tell myself thank you very much. Flip! Flip!
So yes, it did save. So that is me happy with that. And I will update you once I receive my other packages that I bought from Etsy. Not Etsy, AliExpress. I do need to go through the cartridge, see what games I like, don't like. And whatnot. I mean, at first I was very iffy about getting it. I know one of my best friends uses AliExpress a lot, and she likes the stuff that she gets off of there. Me, I have never gotten stuff from that kind of store. I mean, a few weeks ago, I'm knocking everything over on my desk. I got these two games off eBay. And when you put them in, they will not work. So, I will show you. Place the cartridge in, turn the console on, and it will just sit there. And turn it off. Blow here. Blow the cartridge. Put it back in. My cat is trying to get into a bag. Turn it back on, and it will work. So, I have bought a cartridge where I can actually have cyberspace, cyber chase on Game Boy, and then Mushroom Mayhem. I have played this and completed it on PlayStation 2. So again, place the cartridge in, turn console on, does not work. Turn it off. Blow. Put back in. Turn back on. Works.
Hey, let's see before they change rush that game of yours. Go and get them eating the margarine between two knives.
Okay, I take that back. It does not work.
In here, Hannah.
It does not work. So again, turn it off. Blow a couple of times more. Turn it. Put it back in. Turn it back on. Fingers crossed. And it works. There we go. I have to do that every single time. I mean, when I do put in my other cartridge games, they will work straight away. For instance, Scooby-Doo 2, Monsters Unleashed, one of the games I had when I was younger. Put it in, turn on, Game Boy, Nintendo, loads up straight away. No ifs, no buts about it. Same with Pokemon Red Rescue Team. Oh, hold on. Okay, so I'm now having problems with that one. Loads up now because I've blew on it. Apparently it has went to that. Not sure why I did that. Didn't do that once before. But yeah. I now have a good few games. I am pretty happy with them. I do have 2 Game Boy Color ones as well. So, I already have Pokemon Blue. I will put yellow back in here. And close up. So, yeah, so that's where I keep all my little games. I do have a lid for this, but it's currently in the drawer. Hey YouTube, so this is just another quick update. I'm going to be showing you 2 more games that I have already gotten. I have unboxed them from their little packages that I get through the post. So this is my Game Boy game that I got off AliExpress and my DS one. So this one is the 199 games in one. I have tested it out. I mostly got it for Super Mario games. Yeah, there's Super Mario games on it, but hang on, I'm trying to get it out back out the package. As you can see, it is a little hard to get this out. Right, so it's the 999 in one. I have tested it out, and from what I can see, I don't think any of the games are what they appear on here. So I've put it in and I'm loading it up. So let me just right, so let's go with I seen Yoshi's Island on this earlier on, so I'll go with that one. Right, so there is a Yoshi's Island. So if I click on that, hopefully this actually is the game that I want to play. That does not bode well. That does not bode well at all. Okay, so let me turn that off and turn it back on, and we'll try that again. Actually, let's try Scooby-Doo and Disciple Chase. Just try. Okay, so that one works. So I can now play my studio game without any problems. So yeah, I'll try Yoshi's Island again. So we'll try Yoshi's Island again. No, okay, so that one's not working. I'll try one more game on that, then I will be trying this one. So there is 999, so I'll skip to the end. And most of them are repeating, which is annoying, to be honest. So we'll try Lord of the Rings. Oh, looks like it's going to work. Looks like it's Capcom. And that's in looks like in a Japanese writing. Okay, that does not look like Lord of the Rings, does it? Definitely not Lord of the Rings. So that was a fail. So I will put that one away and we will try this one, which is my Pokemon one. The one I've been super excited for. So I have got a DSi here, so I will be trying it in that once I open the case. So again, it is just DS cartridge with an SD slot. It doesn't say what megabyte it is, so there's that. That's a problem. But yeah, normal DS cartridge. We'll pop it in and we'll turn the DS on. Again, I have already tried this to make sure it was working. I'm a little annoyed that my Game Boy one wasn't working properly. Because I've been wanting to play a Yoshi Island game for a while again. Right, hold on. My light is not wanting to sit properly. Nope. So we have Pokemon Black Tool, Pokemon Black, Pokemon White Tool, Pokemon White, Soul Silver, Heart Gold, Pearl, Platinum, Diamond, Conquest, Dash Emporium, Link, Mystery Dungeon Blue Rescue Team, Mystery Dungeon Explorers, Explorers again, Explorers of the Sky, Explorers of Time, Time again, and Rescue Team Blue again. Oh, and Rescue Ranger, or Pokemon Ranger. Pokemon Ranger Guardian, Pokemon Ranger Shadow, Pokemon Torres, back up to black. So, again, I did try out this one. As you can see, it is working. So I will be playing this eventually. So, Pokemon Black. Now, when these games first came out, I never had them, so I'm super excited to give them a try. And I cannot wait to start playing them. I'm literally trying to keep my light a certain distance from me so it doesn't fall. There we go. So, we'll start a new game. Professor Juniper for the first time. Again, go through all this talking. Right, so there is a new style, okay. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 letters I can put for a name, okay. I'm just gonna put my own name. I do have a spare stylus that I've been using for my DSi. I do have a 3DS somewhere, but with everything going on, I lost it. Now, if I remember right, the Pokemon from the anime in Pokemon Black and White is... oh god, I can't remember. Oh, I like the style. I do like this style. So in this one, you don't go to the professor for your Pokemon, they get delivered to the house. Okay. I mean, I know in Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl, it is a remake of Pokemon Diamond and Pokemon Pearl. So I know in those ones you get the Pokemon from the suitcase. Again, I have never played these ones. Oh, that's right. It's a Snivy, an Oshawott, and a Turpig. Do I want a Snivy, Turpig, or Oshawott? Well, let's go with Oshawott. I love how she does expect me to battle her inside my house, in my room. Okay, so this is completely different from what I'm used to. Because you can, it's a different style it's got down here. So I'm used to having fights, run, bags, etc. over here. So it's laid out like this. I know once I did this and I managed to so yeah, I'm now happy that I have these games. I do have to review them on AliExpress, and I'm going to say some of the games I have on the Game Boy one are not the games I was expecting, and one of them doesn't work. But yeah, I'll see you later, YouTube.